Hey guys, so what's going on? If you guys saw the last video, you know that this next thing is going to be a pretty easy install. Everything is already loose. I didn't button anything up because, like I mentioned, I got the intake manifold spacer after the horrific failure of the throttle body spacer. So this is a stainless steel, no powder coating, just got the simple one. And this kit comes with the extended bolts. It comes with a valve cover relocation kit. I'm not going to use it because honestly, it's weird. It's just, I don't know. So in the directions for the clamp relocation, or not the clamp, the valve cover relocation, says you got to snap this bolt and then there should be a hole. But since this is an aftermarket intake manifold, it's not going to have the same molding. So yeah, I'm not going to do that. So this is a Steeder product as well. And we're going to get going. So I'm going to pull this back. And then really all you got to do is just pull it back enough where you can slide this in place. Where is it? So I'm going to make sure that the gasket side goes onto the block. And there are little pegs that align. It drops right in. And there you go. Pops right in place. So these are an H6 Allen head. So and they're all going to get some washers to go with them. And you should have 5. You should have the same exact number of bolts that you took out. These are the extended bolts. Just reference. So see the difference in the OEM bolts to the aftermarket bolts. Alright guys, so that's it. Nice and easy, nice and quick, nothing complicated. There are no torque specs for the Steeder supplied M8 bolts. Just go through, make sure they're tight. Once they stop turning, that's when you stop. So outside, outside, left, right, middle. You follow that process until your bolts stop turning. Once again, as a reminder, do not overdo it, as this is a plastic intake manifold. Make sure that you weave your map sensor plug back through and connect it. Okay. And then you are all set up and good to go. Just put everything back the way it was. And as always, wrench daily.